guys are waiting for a slime video that I'm going to do, I'm also going to be pranking some people. So, if you didn't hear me, I will put it in the description box down below. But yesterday, I did a prank video on my sister Jenny. It was amazing. I was like, I got you good. She started sprinkling us back, and I was like, I gotta get her back somehow. So I did it the same day that she scared me. That video will be in the link description box down below. And yeah, go follow me on my social media. That would be Musically and Lively and Snapchat. I will put those on Musically, and I will put them on here in the description box below. Yeah, okay. And then I want you guys to put in the comment section what your phone number is. I'll be calling you guys, and I will see what I will pick who I'm going to call. I will call 5 of you. So yeah. And you have to put one celebrity's number if you think it's real. And I'll be trying 3 of those and calling them and see if they answer. So do one celebrity with 3 numbers. Bye.